When it comes to US green card application, the most overlooked document is often the birth certificate. As someone who has worked closely with NRIs for years, I have seen how a missing or incorrect birth certificate can stall an otherwise strong application. The truth is, this isn't just a formality. USCIS treats it as a primary proof of your identity and family relationship. Let's start with the foundation. For USCIS, the birth certificate is not just a piece of a paper. It's the document that ties together your date of birth, place of birth, and parents' names. These three details are critical for verifying eligibility under family-based or employment-based green card categories. USCIS always checks whether the primary proof of your birth exists, and that's your official birth certificate. In India, birth registration became consistent only after 1971. If you were born before that, there is a high chance your birth was never registered. Even in later years, errors are common. Spelling mistakes, parents' names are missing, or incorrect dates. And USCIS is very particular. A small mismatch between your birth certificate and passport can lead to RFE, request for evidence, or denied if not handled properly. So let's answer the first big question. When you don't have your birth certificate at all, in that case you need an NABC, non-availability of birth certificate. This is an official statement issued by the local registrar or municipal authority at your place of birth. It confirms that no birth record exists in their archives. If the registrar's office allows the correction, you can apply to have the details fixed. The process varies by state and may require additional proof. But if corrections are not possible, you may need to rely on an NABC plus secondary documents, just as if the birth certificate never existed. Another frequent question is, do I have to travel back to India to get my birth certificate or NABC? Thankfully, the answer is no. The USCIS uses the birth certificate as the cornerstone of your green card application. If it's missing, incomplete, inconsistent, then your entire case can be delayed or questioned. Having the right documents, whether it's birth certificate or NABC with supporting evidence, it's not just a paperwork. It's the foundation of building a smooth and successful green card journey.